by using all the theorems, all 7 theorems, and discuss exercise 8.1 now by using all those theorems. The angles of the first question from exercise 8.1. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. The angles of quadrilateral are given here. These are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Simple question. Let us consider 3, 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x are the angles of a quadrilateral. We know that sum of interior angle of any quadrilateral is 360 degree. Add all these 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all these gives us 30x is equal to 360 degree. Now x is equal to 360 transpose 30 to RHS divided by 30. 0 0 get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3 12 ja. X gives us 12. Therefore, angles of the quadrilateral are 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. Substitute x in this 3x, that is equal to 3 into 12 is 36 degrees and one angle. Second angle is 5x, that is equal to 5 into 12 is equal to 60 degree. This is the second angle. 9x, 9 into 12 is equal to 108 degree. Third angle. 13x, that is equal to 13 into 12 is equal to 156 degree. This is the fourth angle. These are the angles of the quadrilateral. Sum of these all four gives us 360 degree. Very simple question. This is the solution. Now discuss second question from exercise 8.1. If the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. The diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then it is a rectangle. We need to prove. ABCD is a parallelogram. Here BD is equal to AC are diagonals. It is given that ABCD is a parallelogram with AC is equal to BD. With the diagonals AC is equal to diagonal BD. What we have to prove? ABCD is a rectangle. To prove ABCD is a rectangle, so these angles are equal to 90 degree. We need to prove. So in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, triangle ABC and triangle ABD, AB is equal to AB common. Triangle ABC and ABD. In these two triangles, ABC and ABD. So these two triangles, AB is common for both the triangles. AC is equal to BD. See, AC is equal to BD. It is given already. Triangles are equal. AD is equal to BC. See, AD is equal to BC. These are opposite sides of the parallelogram. Opposite sides of the parallelogram will be equal. Now, by seeing these three, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD or BAD by SSS congruent rule. If these two are congruent to each other, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Angle DAB, this angle is equal to CBA. These two angles are equal because by CBCD. By CBCD, because these two triangles are taken, those two are corresponding angles, so always will be equal. But we know that angle DAB plus angle DAB plus CBA, sum of these two equal to 180 degree. Say equation number 2. For this equation number 1 you have to say. Okay. These are adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, so sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Say equation number 2, because these are adjacent angles. From equation number 1 and 2, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Means these both are same, both are equal. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. So substitute both are equal is nothing but what? Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Gives us 180 degree because those two angles are equal. Similarly, other angles also 90 degree each. We can prove. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. This is the solution about second question. Now discuss third question from exercise 8.1. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here diagonals AC and BD are bisect each other at right angles. It is nothing but what? AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC and BD are diagonals bisect each other. Is nothing but what? So AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. OB is equal to OD and bisect each other at right angle is nothing but what? Angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle COB is equal to 90 degree. This is given. What we have to prove? ABCD is a rhombus. We need to prove. In triangle AOB and triangle AOD, prove in triangle AOB and AOD. In these two triangles, AO is equal to AO. AO is common in these two triangles. AO is common for these two triangles. OB is equal to OD. See, OB is equal to OD. Diagonals are bisect each other. Diagonals. This is also given. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. This is 90 degrees. This is also given. Okay. So by seeing these three conditions, that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. These two triangles are congruent to each other by SAS congruent rule. If these two are congruent to each other, AB is equal to AD. AB and AD are corresponding sets. AB is equal to AD. This is by simplicity. Same question number 1. Similarly, we can prove these two triangles AOB and BOC. These two are congruent to each other by same rule. If these two are congruent to each other, AB is equal to BC. Similarly, again, these two triangles are congruent to each other. If these two are congruent to each other, BC is equal to CD. Again, these two are congruent to each other by SAS rule. If these two are congruent to each other, is nothing but BC is equal to AD. We can prove similarly AD is equal to BC. Say question number 2, BC is equal to CD. Third equation, CD is equal to AD. Fourth equation, we can prove all these. From equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, means all these four sides are equal. If all these four sides are equal, we can conclude ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. This is the proof about third question. Discuss fourth question from exercise 8.1. Show that the diagonals of the square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Show that the diagonals of this ABCD is a square, bisect each other is nothing but AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. This you have to prove. These are equal, that is nothing but AC is equal to BD, and these are right angles, bisect each other at right angles, that is nothing but AOB is equal to AOD is equal to DOC is equal to COB is equal to 90 degree. We need to prove. So it is given that ABCD is a square. To prove, first condition AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. First condition. Second condition is OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Diagonals bisect each other is nothing but AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to BD. This is second condition we need to prove. Third one, AC is perpendicular to BD at right angles. AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. We need to prove. These are the three conditions. Proof. First one, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, A, B, C and BAD. These two triangles. In these two triangles, AB is equal to BA. AB is common for these two triangles. BC is equal to AD. See, BC is equal to AD. These are opposite sides of a square. Always will be equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. These two are 90 degree because angles of a square will be equal to 90 degree. ABC is equal to BAD is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. ABC and BAD. These two triangles are congruent to each other by SAS congruent rule. If these two are congruent to each other, AC is equal to BD. See, AC is equal to BD because AC and BD appeared in these two triangles. So, to prove AC is equal to BD, we have to take these triangles ABC and BAD. Those two are congruent to each other. Is nothing but AC and BD are corresponding sides will be equal. By simplicity, AC is equal to BD. This is the first proof. Similarly, second one we need to prove AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So to take this one, triangle OAD and triangle OCB, this triangle and this triangle we have to take, both will appear. So AD is equal to BC. See, AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a square. Next, angle OAD is equal to angle OCB. Angle OAD, this angle OAD is equal to OCB. These two angles are interior alternate angles because AC is a transversal. AD is parallel to BC here. AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. So these are interior alternate angles will be equal. Similarly, angle ODA is equal to OBC. These two angles are interior alternate angles. Here BD is a transversal. Similarly, AD is parallel to BC. So these are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCB by SAS rule. Two sides and one angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and one angle of other triangle. So we can say these two triangles are congruent to each other. So OA is equal to OC. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, these two are congruent to each other, OA is equal to OC. These are corresponding sides. 1. Similarly, OB is equal to OD. These are also corresponding sides. So say equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we say AC and BD are bisect each other. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD is nothing but what? Bisect each other is nothing but those are equal. Now I'll take third part that we have to prove. AC is perpendicular to BD at 90 degree. It is nothing but what? 90 degree only. So in triangle OBA or OEB and triangle ODA, in these two triangles, OB is equal to OD, already proved, okay. BA is equal to DA. See, BA is equal to DA because these are sides of a BA is equal to DA, not opposite sides, just sides of a square will be equal. Next, OA is equal to OA. OA is common for these two triangles. Therefore, triangle OBA is congruent to triangle ODA by SS is congruent to. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. These two angles will be equal. But we know that by simplicity we have to conclude these are corresponding angles. But we know that sum of these two equal to 90 degree because this is a linear pair. But angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree linear pair. If these two are equal, we say angle AOB is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. 90 plus 90 gives us 180 degree. Therefore, AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. AC it indicates what? This is 90 degrees, nothing but what? So AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree.